This 2015 Forest River Surveyor 240 RBS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Epsom, New Hampshire, 03234 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV New Hampshire. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 26 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 46 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.